been exactly 1 year since I used my viral wash and go combo, and y'all, I had to run it back to see if it's still as good as I remembered. That video, you know that this combination right here gave me amazing curl definition, great shine, and the hold was ridiculous. I used the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass styling mousse, and then on top of that, I put the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Hold It Styling Gel. A whole year later, my curl pattern and I feel like my texture has actually changed a little bit. My hair is more dry, I actually have more gray. And if you know, natural hair, when your hair is gray, the curl pattern tends to be like a little bit different. So I want to try this combination out a whole year later to see if it still rocks. And I always go in with the mousse first. I feel like the mousse is what gives me the amazing curl definition, and because it's so lightweight, it's actually going to dry super fast. So if you're someone who wants, quick styling option, definitely reach for a mousse, because like I said, it dries super quick. A good product is going to clump the curls. So if you guys can see right there, the curls are already starting to clump. But part two is where the magic really happens, because that's where I'm going to add the gel to really lock those curls in place and give it that shine. It's time to add the Hold It Styling Gel. Look how thick that is. The gel also is going to weigh your curls down, and that's going to help them to clump also. I like this gel because it's nice and thick, and it's going to slick those edges down in the front. Curls are super juicy, super defined. I'm working in small sections, just applying the product directly to the strands, really making sure to smooth that product through so that it's really, all the strands are coated. I could leave it like that, but I also like, super added definition. I go in and finger coil, especially in this top section, because this is where my curl pattern is a little bit more loose. This is also going to help to give you that added curl definition, and it's going to make your wash and go last, even longer, because the curls are super defined. I'm just going in and slicking my edges down with an edge brush. Like I said earlier, this gel is perfect for your edges, and I actually didn't even need to add any more product. I just used whatever was left over. Now I'm just going in and diffusing for about 10-15 minutes on medium heat, medium speed. You constantly want to keep that blow dryer moving because you don't want it to sit on one area for too long. Guys, here is the finished result. Do you see how defined my curls are? Here's another close-up of the curls. And then I'm also going to put a side by side here. So you guys let me know down below in the comments, which side do you think looks better? Also, if you guys haven't checked out that original video, I'll put it right here so you can go ahead and check that out. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, turn on your notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.